Good day to you all. Welcome to Kitchen Corner with Dulcie. She is a professional caterer and baker, so all your wedding cakes, birthday cakes, you should definitely check her out. Now, today is a very special day because we're going to be learning a lot about basics of making eggs. So, Ma'am Dulcie, your kitchen is amazing.
Thank you so much.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
Everything is amazing. So we can't wait to get into your cooking.
Yep.
So please let us know what you're making for us today.
Okay. So with me here, I've got a chef's hat. As you all know, a chef's hat has got so many folds. This is because it symbolizes the many ways of which our chef must be able to make an egg. So let me start this off by making a sunny side up. And now that I have my hat on, I'll switch on my stove to a medium heat, about 4 or 5. Don't make it too hot. So for a sunny side up, you take one egg, break it into a bowl. The reason why you break it into a bowl is that so when you put it in your pan, it's got a nice surface and it's even. So we wait for our oil to heat for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we can add in our eggs. Now,
exciting. I cannot wait. You know, people take advantage of simple meals.
Yeah.
And there are people that actually struggle
to make an egg.
eggs.
It's so
for
true.
me, example,
Yeah.
I did going to be outside, to be honest.
I know, right?
And I can't wait to let you teach us how to make a perfect egg.
Yeah. So the trick in making an egg is to ensure that it's nice and soft. It shouldn't brown. Now, I've been to restaurants where I've been given a bent egg or a rubbery egg. Now, to do this, mostly you can use butter to soften up your eggs. But even if you're using cooking oil, just make sure your oil is at the right temperature. That's all you need. And then a bit of salt to the pan.
Oh, to the pan, not in the egg.
No. Why we're doing this is to make sure that our our egg doesn't stick into the pan.
Okay.
So when it's heated, we can then add in our egg.
You see, most of you do not know that you put salt in the pan.
I know, right?
Not in the egg.
So the good thing if you're using a non-stick pan is that it does not stick. But if you're using an ordinary pan, what you need to do is to salt it. You can even put some salt, rub your pan first, remove the salt and then put in your oil. The next step is to take your spatula or your egg tin and then you just dip it in the oil. The reason I'm doing this is that when I'm turning and flipping my egg, it will not stick to the pan and it will not stick to the egg lifter. So those are little tips that people need to know when they're making their eggs. Okay, so now I'll be taking my egg and putting it in my oil. You can get a beautiful sizzle. Now, I'll take my spoon, take oil from the side, add it on top of my egg. I'm doing this simply so that I do not need to turn over my egg. And then this oil is going to make sure that the top of my egg is done because it's hot. So I'll continuously do this until my yolk is done. Now, depending on the type of yolk you want, if you want it medium done, you can now remove it. But if you want it well done, you can continue doing it until your yolk is set. It takes about a minute for you to make an egg. Not too much. I think my egg is done. And now I'm ready to plate it. Now, as you can see, I'm lifting up a beautiful egg.
Wow.
Onto my bed of lettuce. And now I can sizzle it.
I cannot resist the sensational aroma.
Some aromatic seasoning. You can really have a meal out of an egg. You don't need to have starches in that.
Exactly. So it's very important to, add a little bit of decoration. You just don't chow the egg from the pan. You just take your time and design your plate because it's very appetizing.
I know, right? So I hope you've learned how to make a sunny side up.
So definitely check out the entire episode of how to make a beautiful egg on LiQWYD's YouTube channel and Facebook page. And until we meet again, it's always a bye.